Freelancing is a way of working where individuals offer their services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Instead of being employed by a specific company, freelancers are self-employed and work independently. This allows them to choose their clients, set their own hours, and work on projects that align with their skills and interests. Image of freelancer working on laptop. Freelancers can work in various fields, including writing and content creation, design and graphic arts, programming and software development, marketing and social media management, photography and videography, translation and language services. Image of freelancer working on different projects. Freelancing offers several advantages, such as flexibility. Freelancers have the freedom to choose their projects and set their own schedules. Independence, they are their own bosses and can work from anywhere with an internet connection. Variety, freelancers can work on diverse projects and learn new skills. Potential for high earnings, skilled freelancers can charge competitive rates and earn a good income. However, freelancing also comes with challenges. Inconsistent income, freelancers may experience periods of high demand and low demand, leading to fluctuations in income. Lack of benefits, freelancers are responsible for their own taxes, health insurance, and retirement savings. Isolation, working independently can sometimes lead to feelings of loneliness and isolation. Image of freelancer working remotely. Overall, freelancing can be a rewarding career path for those who are self-motivated, disciplined, and have the necessary skills to succeed in the freelance market.